Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to dive deep into a Python script that analyzes the Titanic dataset to predict passenger survival using machine learning. The Titanic dataset is a classic dataset often used for introductory machine learning projects because it provides a rich source of data for analysis and prediction. Step 1. Importing libraries. We start our script by importing essential libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. These libraries will help us with data manipulation, visualization, and machine learning tasks throughout our analysis. Step 2. Loading Titanic dataset. Our next step is to load the Titanic dataset from a CSV file named train.csv into a Pandas data frame called Titanic_data. This dataset contains information about Titanic passengers such as their age, gender, ticket class, and whether they survived or not. Step 3. Data description. Before diving into the analysis, it's crucial to understand the structure and characteristics of our dataset. We use the describe method to provide summary statistics like mean, median, minimum, and maximum values for each numerical column in our dataset. Step 4. Data visualization. Visualizing the data can often reveal patterns and relationships that may not be immediately obvious from summary statistics. We create a heat map of the correlation matrix between numerical features to see how each feature is correlated with one another. Step 5. Stratified train test split. To train and evaluate our machine learning model, we split our dataset into training and testing sets using stratified sampling. This ensures that the distribution of classes survived or not survived is similar in both the training and testing sets. Step 6. Exploratory data analysis (EDA). Exploring the data through visualizations helps us gain insights into the relationships between different features. We plot histograms to visualize the distribution of survived and class features in the training set. Step 7. Data preprocessing. Before feeding our data into a machine learning model, we need to preprocess it to handle missing values in categorical variables. We define custom transformers for data preprocessing tasks such as imputing missing values, one-hot encoding categorical variables, and dropping unnecessary columns. Step 8. Creating pipeline. We create a pipeline to automate the pre-processing steps and ensure consistency in our data transformation process. A pipeline sequentially applies the defined transformers to our dataset, making it easy to reproduce the pre-processing steps on new data. Step 9. Executing pipeline on training set ***. We apply the pipeline to the training set using the fit_transform method, which both fits the transformers to the data and transforms it in a single step. Step 10. Feature scaling. Scaling the features to a similar range can improve the performance of some machine learning algorithms. We use the standard scaler to standardize the features in our dataset. Step 11. Model training. With our data preprocessed and scaled, we're ready to train a machine learning model to predict passenger survival. We choose the random forest classifier and use hyperparameter tuning via grid search CV to find the best combination of parameters. Step 12. Best estimator selection. After performing hyperparameter tuning, we select the best estimator, which is the random forest classifier with the optimal set of hyperparameters. Step 13. Executing pipeline on test set. We apply the same pre-processing steps to the test set using our pipeline to ensure consistency in data transformation. Step 14. Evaluating model on test set. We evaluate the performance of our trained model on the test set to see how well it generalizes to unseen data. Step 15. Preparing test data for prediction. Before making predictions on new data, we pre-process and scale the test data using the same pipeline and scaler used for the training data. Step 16. Making predictions. Finally, we use our trained model to make predictions on the test dataset and export the predictions to a CSV file for further analysis or submission. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've walked through the entire process of analyzing the Titanic dataset and building a machine learning model to predict passenger survival. I hope you found this video informative and that it helps you understand the steps involved in a typical machine learning project. There is source code link in the description below. You can refer and modify as your own. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this in the future.